Okay, hello, boys and girls. We are back again with an episode of Morrissey Construction and Electrical. Today we are putting in this guy, putting this guy over that. And this is an old box that was kind of haphazardly weird homeowner-ish type handyman installed. And this is what our little episode today is. So I went up to remove the old wire. And I found the nests. Hello, nest. And that's the little nest right here. Nothing in it right now. Just interesting. I wanted to get a little shot of these things before I took the wire down because the wire's right underneath it. So I'm gonna try to remove the wire without. And then there's another one right there. That's a big one. Yeah, that's a big nest. Let's get a shot of that real quick. I'll move our ladder over. We gotta get this wire out of there. Get it removed. And I don't know, do we have anything in this nest? No, yet. Nope, nothing in this one, but wow, it's amazing. These things are crazy. Shaking a little skimmy. There we go. Oh, neat. Oh, okay, cool. Hopefully I can pull this thing down without ruining these things. See ya.